got it down? Yeah. What did I do? Hey, hey, go bite me.
Jason.
He might stand up on you.
What's with the boob yellage? What are you gonna do? He's gonna whine about it?
He hasn't figured out how to stand up because you do all the work for him from this part.
I do all the work for him.
Do too.
He's trying to bite me again. What are you gonna do?
He's trying to stand up.
You're not helping him.
He's gotta learn to stay on his knees. He's gotta learn to stay on his knees. He keeps doing the belly flop. It's a lot of work being a baby. It's a lot of work being a baby. Here, let me help you. There. Okay, now try it. Try again. We talked about this. You gotta keep trying. You gotta keep trying. You can do it. Don't bite me. No. Don't bite me.